So today we've bought ourselves a new computer desk. This one's actually the ErGear from Amazon. As you can see, here's the instruction manual. It's a 48-inch electric standing desk. And I'm just gonna videotape. I've never put one of these together, so I'm gonna show you how difficult it is or how easy it is. So we're just gonna go through these steps real quick and put this desk together. And that's it. Looks like the first 5 steps is just making sure you have all the parts. As you can see on the box itself, it says, "Thanks for choosing our product. If any parts are received damaged or defective, please contact us. We will be happy to send replacement parts." So before we get started and get let down because something's broke, we're gonna go ahead and just verify that all these parts are in the box. So upon opening it, yes, there's quite a bit of parts. So we're gonna go through and just make sure everything's in here. We got a couple legs, times 2. Not really sure what this is. Transmission rod. We got one of those. Go through. Ooh, here's a wrist rest. Got one of those. Now that we've checked in all of our parts, we can go ahead and start assembling it. And the first step is assembling and connecting the desk legs. So we'll go ahead and grab both of those, and they're going to be the heavy ones. All right, so we're going to take our big crossbar. So next we'll take our crossbar. It's going to be the this piece here, and as you can see, it's even got an arrow. It's telling us which way goes down, and these are just going to line up. There's a couple holes in here, and they're going to line up with some actual threaded holes on the actual legs. And looks like we're going to use our Allen wrench screws that are B. Okay, and what do you know? They're labeled on here too. So we'll go ahead and pull out 4 of those. Grab our big Allen wrench that fits them. And we'll go ahead and put those in. There we go. Step 1 complete. All right, here we go. Now it looks like we're going straight into putting the feet on the actual desk legs. It says heavy, you may need assistance with this step. Okay, well yeah, that's definitely probably going to be about 30 pounds. So I would imagine anything over 20 pounds, they're saying, hey, don't hurt yourself. We're going to be okay. We lift 50 pounds daily, especially with our pool channel, Pool Elementary on YouTube. You can check that out if you have a pool. We do do-it-yourself pool cleaning and pool repair. Also do hot tubs, but it's another side gig we do. All right. It says we're going to attach those feet to the legs with bolts A, which are a little longer ones. So we're going to need 8 of those. Let's make sure we got 8. We do. It's another win for this product. So we'll feed that through. Get one lined up. Okay. Step 1. Okay, that was all step 1. So we've got our legs put together, we've got our feet on, crossbar. All right, step 2, attaching the side plates and the transmission rod. All right, well, it looks like we're gonna flip her over and actually get to be on our feet. So, and it looks like they're putting the motor in the front, like so. And we're gonna do it exactly like the pictures. There's not much writing here. There's not much to it. So we're gonna grab our 2 side plates, which right here, and they've got arrows on them on which way they're going. So It says arrow outwards, and it says up. So it looks like this one's gonna go, oh, let's take a look at this picture here. Outwards. Yeah, they even got it on there. So it looks like we're gonna attach that with some more B screws. Yeah, okay. So we're gonna grab the last 4 B bolts here. And that's it with our arrow pointing outward and the flat on the top. We're going to go ahead and mount those. Get a couple started here. Alright, that's it. We'll go ahead and tighten this side. So with our 4B, we got our 4B bolts or screws installed. All right. Yeah, it looks just like a picture. Okay, coupling nut. Loosen the coupling nut. All right, we're gonna grab our little rod here. It says loosen this. Okay. Now that moves. Let's see what it's gonna do here. Okay. So that's gonna go in between. And it's gonna drive the other side. So it definitely looks like it's gonna attach. So let's bring this over here so we can see a little better. There we go. So looks like we got some type of a gearing here, and then it looks like it's got kind of a star fitting in there. So that pushes in. Oh, okay. And that's it. We're gonna line that up. Looks like we're gonna slide this side into what fits in there. Make it tight. And we're just gonna tighten this down that we loosened up. And that should lock it in place. That looks good and snug. All right, so we're gonna take our small Allen wrench, and there's just a little screw here that we're gonna tighten down to lock her in place. Yeah, it looks good. So it looks like we're gonna take some of our rubber grommets, or whatever you want to call them. Oh, what did I do with those? All right, so that would be J. So the next step is we're going to take J. We're actually going to put those in all of these holes to pad the surface of the wood to the metal. Imagine. Protect the wood, give it a nice tight and fit, but yeah, okay. Those got a little lip on them that we have to get in these little holes. All right, we'll go ahead and do that. As you can see, what I'm doing is there's a little lip on these that hold them into those things, so you're just kind of working it to get them in there. We've got all those in. Already on page 7. Oh, there they show the electric screw gun. Drill not included, it says, so got lucky there. All right, looks like we're going to assemble the actual desktop. It looks like we just placed the two pieces of wood together, and there's a couple, oh, there's 3 of these little attachments that we screw together to hold it together. Oh, and we're going to use the wooden dowels in between, which is K. So we'll need these wooden dowels. And we're going to need H, which are the actual plates. And what screw do we need? C. And we're going to need some C screws, which they've given us lots. So we'll open up those. All right. Let's make some room for this. As you can see, it's not tremendously heavy. I just tossed her out of the way, and I'm not super strong. All right. Looks like they're pre-drilled. All right. So our pieces are pre-drilled, so that's a win. Get these out. All right. So we'll flip it upside down. So, as you can see, this is where our dowels are going to go, which they're all pre-drilled. You just push them in all the way. This is going to help support that middle, so there ain't no bowing. Make sure your pre-drilled screw holes are on the top. And then that's it. We'll take our other one with our pre-drilled screw holes on top. The dowel holes. We're going to just line those up. Like so. Give it a nice push together. All right. And we're going to find our spacers. How many of these we got? We got 3. So, looks like we're going 1 in the middle and 1 on each outside. And then with our C screws, I'm going to go ahead and drill those in. I'm going to be real easy because I just think that this wood's going to have a chance of stripping out pretty easy. So, just going to keep this one lined up. Just going to give it till it gives us a click on our hammer drill here. That should be good. All right, with those attached. All right, looks like the next thing that's going to go on, attach desktop to the frame. And this is probably, 25 pounds or so. That's kind of it. It looks like we're going to have some screw holes here to line up. And they are lining right up. So that's it. I've got a pre-drilled hole in all of these slots. Looks like they're all showing. A couple of them are kind of close to hit, but they're doable. All right. So we'll take some of our C screws here. It's probably a little too many, but go ahead and mount her. That's where those rubber pads give it a nice cushion. So that's mounted. Boom, boom, boom. Attach the hooks and controller to the desktop. All right, looks like we got some hooks that attach to the outsides. Must be for like hanging electronics, or in the picture it showed some headphones and stuff hanging from them. So those are C screws also. And I know exactly what those look like. So I was wondering what they were, and they're the G. So go ahead and open those up. And these are just gonna hang out the side like this. Okay. I guess we'll pour some of these screws back out. Grab a couple of those. Let's install these hooks. Thought about doing it out in the garage, but I didn't really want to pack it back down here. All right. With our hooks installed. All right, now we have, that must be the controller. Number 10. We're gonna go back to our handy dandy parts thing, and yes, number 10 is the controller. That's going to go on the front side of the desk with 2 C screws. So I'm going to go up here, and so that's going to be, all right, there they are. So this back here must be where we run our cords down, and that's at our controller. Has 2 pre-drilled holes right here. So we're going to go ahead and attach that. All right, trying to get a lot of plastic here. So here we got the handy dandy controller. It looks pretty easy. There's some set. You must have some pre-selected sets, like how high you want it. Like if you're a 1 for sitting, 2 for standing, 3 for someone else, or you just have up and down, which that's probably what I'll use. But yeah, this is just gonna flip upside down. And there's a couple factory holes there. Grab 2 of our C screws. And we'll go ahead and mount this. As I said, I'm being real careful. This is plastic. Not getting crazy. All right, that's there. I feel like we're getting closer and closer. We're almost to the actual keyboard assembly. Attach the keyboard tray side plates to the desktop. You can use a Phillips screwdriver instead of a drill for easier access to the screws. So, yep, you're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver if you can't get it. I might be able to get it with this longer attachment, but all right. So it looks like we're gonna grab our number 9s, which is the right keyboard tray side plate. All right, number 9. So this thing's upside down, so it looks like right's gonna be left. We'll see. Oh yeah, that's it. It's pre-drilled. Yeah, that's gonna come out like so. Oh man, that's gonna work pretty, it's gonna be pretty handy. All right. We'll grab 3. It looks like we got just enough screws. That's probably why they gave us an extra of everything, just in case their count was wrong. That's where, this is where a Phillips screwdriver might come in handy. Let's see if we can get it. That one started. It's a little dark down here, so I'm sorry if you can't see this. I can just barely get it with this drill, so long screwdriver would be very handy, but we got her without stripping anything out. So there we go. It's nice and snug. All right, number 8. And that's it. So our controller's facing this way, and that's it. So our keyboard's gonna go in there, and you just wanna make sure that your racks that slide your keyboard out are coming out towards you here. I'll go ahead and get this back one in. So note, attach side plates with the guide blocks facing out. We did that. All right, looks like now we're gonna plug in all of our stuff and our components. So it looks like our motor is gonna just plug right in here. It only goes into one spot. That's it. And it looks like it only goes in one way. It clicks in. So now we've got power to our controller, power to the motor. And it looks like we're on step 5. It's just assembling the, wow. We're down to just putting the keyboard in and attach the stoppers to the keyboard tray. Looks like it goes downward onto those holes. Yeah, so our keyboard doesn't slide back and off the... Okay, I got it. All right, with our screw packet and our keyboard stopper, we've got our pre-factory drilled holes. Line that up. And that's it. We're going to use our last bit of screws here. These are some really small screws. There's 3 little black screws here. That's it. We'll go ahead and find our pre-drilled holes. We'll just go ahead and attach that. All right, so our screw packet is empty. The only hardware we have left is these zip ties and some type of little sticky deal. It's going to be okay, and we've got to attach. So we're going to flip this over. We're going to attach our wrist rest to the keyboard. So that's it. Make sure our surface is clean. I haven't touched it too much. Okay, with our adhesive off, go ahead and line her up to kind of fit it. Yeah, close enough. It's just a keyboard wrist pad. All right, I'll go ahead and make sure that's got a good adhesion. There we go. She's got a little bit of a warble to it, but hey, I'm not perfect. I guess I could have took a little more time to do it, but it just serves the purpose of doing that, so I'm good with that. All right, so that's basically it. We're gonna upside down. We're gonna install this. That looks like it just clicks in there. Here we've got the ErGear electric standing desk finished, and everything went smoothly. All the parts were there and delivered. We still have our full spare part bag, not even open. The only tool it comes with to put it together is this Allen wrench, and the only other tool that you need besides this is a screwdriver or electric screw gun. I am definitely happy with this product for $200 to $300. It's gonna make a nice feature for my computer to set on, so I can either sit or stand, and fully lifts completely up to my chest level. I'm actually 6'1", so as you can see, my arms are straight out, and they're like right there. So it is definitely above my belly button, and so it goes up pretty high, and retracts pretty quickly. You can see it's going down, and that's my waist level. And now she's all the way back down to a sitting level right here. And that's it. She'll go all the way down. It looks low enough for even small children. So as you can see, that computer keyboard is at my knees. So you could also use it for a children's desk also. And by a push of a button, she'll lift all the way back up to my chest level. So pretty awesome deal. I can't wait to get my computer on it and try it out. I highly recommend it because it came with everything. It was easy to put together in less than 45 minutes. And that's it. We'll have a quick link in the description box for the ErGear electric standing desk. You know, I had no problems with it, so hopefully you don't either if you want to purchase one. If you do buy one off of our quick link through Amazon, we definitely get a small commission at no charge to you, so it helps out with our Muse Family Adventure channel and also our Pool Elementary do-it-yourself pool and hot tub care repair videos. So check it out. It might be the desk for you.